Pet Ghost Halloween treats. Will you dare to open this?
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. These little pet ghosts are actually sitting in a little tart. Now what kind of filling you use in the tart is completely up to you. I decided to put some chocolate fudge in mine, and this is the simplest fudge recipe you will ever get. That is 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Pop this in the microwave for about a minute on high. Take it out, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and just give it a really good stir to combine the two until it's nice and smooth and shiny and glossy. Then the little tarts I bought are pre-made at the store. I bought them in a package. I baked them until they were done. And then I just took the chocolate fudge before it sets. So do this fairly quickly. It sets kind of fast. And then just fill them up. You could just use plain chocolate for this if you'd like, but any pie filling would be pretty good in this as long as it's already cooked. Then I used a little offset spatula just to smooth the top off a little bit. And if you wanted to, you could even put some Oreo cookie crumbs on here or some green tinted coconut for grass. And these are the little ghosts I found at the dollar store. I thought they were really cute. If you can't find those, you could make your own as well. I have this little ghost mold that I filled with white candy melts. And then once they're all filled up, you just give the whole mold a little tap just to smooth out the candy melts and to get rid of any little bubbles. And then just pop them in the refrigerator and let them harden. Once they're hardened, they pop out quite nicely and they're nice and shiny. And then I use some black candy melts just to fill in the little mouth and the eyes. Now for assembly, you'll take your little ghosts. These are the little candy ones I bought at the dollar store. You're just going to kind of just stick it in to the tart and then add whatever decorations you want. I have these little candy pumpkins, and I also had some candy corn that I put in there. You could use little candy bones, really a little candy gravestone, whatever you'd like. And here's one of the ghosts that I made. I'm putting that in there. They have to be small though because they're going to fit into these little tarts. Now I looked for clear plastic cups that I could put on top of these tarts. So I wanted them to be the same size as the tart. And I found it really hard to find a cup that was clear plastic that you could see through. But I did find these little wine cups. They're about 8-ounce cups. Found those at the dollar store. You'll need a little label that says Pet Ghost. I printed mine on address labels, so it was very easy to print out a bunch of them and very easy to stick. I will provide a link in the description box to the ones I used if you want to print those out and use those. And then finally, we need to add our little plastic cup on top of the tart. So I put a little bit of chocolate around the edge and then added the cup. I did this so that it would stick nicely together so you could actually pick it up in one piece, but you don't have to add that chocolate. And then finally, I added these little plastic Halloween rings that I bought at the dollar store as well. It adds a little bit of decoration for that wine cup stem, and it acts like a little extra gift for the person you're giving them to. I thought these turned out really cute. Now I also found these little tiny clear shot glasses, plastic shot glasses at the dollar store, and I gave this a try, but of course they are really small, so it does cover your little ghost, and then you could put your pet ghost open with caution sign on a toothpick next to it. So this is also an option. These are also pretty cute, except you don't have the little other decorations included with them. So what do you think? Which one do you like most? I have about 100 Halloween videos on my channel right now. They're all on a playlist. I guarantee you if you're looking for something to make for your Halloween party, you will find what you need in this playlist. Thank you so much for watching.